Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out the Bosch Unlimited 10 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, a premium cordless cleaning solution designed to combine powerful performance, exceptional flexibility, and long-lasting battery life. With 2 included batteries, up to 140 minutes of total runtime, a bendable tube, fast charging capabilities, and multiple cleaning accessories, this vacuum is built to tackle everything from daily maintenance to deep cleaning sessions. One of the standout features of the Bosch Unlimited 10 is its impressive runtime. The vacuum includes 2 rechargeable batteries that together provide up to 140 minutes of cleaning time, allowing users to clean large homes without worrying about running out of power. Whether you're vacuuming multiple floors or handling a major weekend cleaning session, the extended battery life adds significant convenience. Performance is equally impressive. The vacuum is engineered to deliver powerful suction capable of lifting dust, dirt, pet hair, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. Its advanced motor and floor nozzle work together to maintain effective cleaning across a variety of surfaces, helping users achieve thorough results throughout the home. A unique feature of the Unlimited 10 is the bendable tube design. Cleaning under beds, sofas, tables, and other low furniture often requires kneeling or moving heavy objects. The flexible tube helps users reach these difficult areas more comfortably, reducing strain while improving cleaning efficiency. Pet owners will appreciate the vacuum's ability to collect pet hair from floors, carpets, upholstery, and furniture. Combined with specialized attachments, it becomes a useful tool for maintaining cleaner living spaces in homes with dogs and cats. The included fast charger helps minimize downtime between cleaning sessions. Rather than waiting several hours for a battery to recharge, users can get back to cleaning more quickly, making the vacuum more practical for busy households. Versatility is another major advantage. The Bosch Unlimited 10 includes 7 accessories that expand its cleaning capabilities. These tools help users clean stairs, furniture, curtains, shelves, car interiors, corners, and other hard-to-reach spaces. The vacuum can also convert into a handheld unit, providing additional flexibility for detailed cleaning tasks. The cordless design eliminates the inconvenience of power cords while improving maneuverability around furniture and throughout the home. Its lightweight construction further enhances usability, allowing comfortable operation during extended cleaning sessions. Bosch also incorporates advanced filtration technology that helps capture fine dust particles and allergens. This contributes to cleaner exhaust air and supports a healthier indoor environment. Overall, the Bosch Unlimited 10 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner combines powerful suction, exceptional battery life, flexible cleaning capabilities, fast charging, and premium build quality. For homeowners seeking a high-end cordless vacuum that can handle hard floors, carpets, pet hair, and challenging spaces, the Unlimited 10 offers a comprehensive cleaning solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check out the product through the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews, comparisons, and buying guides here on Gadgetverse.